Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the great name of Allah, who is most kind and merciful. Welcome to Sindh University campus, Larkana. So, present submit to Madam Kuratlen Gopangs and submit subject compiler construction name Ali Hyder Chandio, roll number BSS LCS to K10. So, compiler construction. Outline of compiler construction. So what is compiler? Why we use compiler? What compiler do? More machine and milli machine. So programming language translator. A translator is a program language processor that converts a computer program from one language the another. It take a program written in secure code and convert it into machine code in discover and identifies the error drawing translation. So purpose of translator, it translates a high-level language program into a machine language program that the control processing unit CPU can understand. It also detected errors in the program. So different type of translator. There are three different type of translator or follows: compiler, interpreter, assembler. So this is compiler. Is computing. A compiler is a computer program that translates computer code written in one programming language into in other language. The name compiler is primarily used for programs that translate secure code for a high-level program language into a lower level language to create an executable program. So this is why we use compiler. Compiler is basically used for translation. A compiler is a computer program that translates program code written in one program language, the secure language, into another language, the largest language. The name compiler is primarily used for programs that translate secure code for a high-level program language to a lower level language. And example: assemble language, object code, or machine code to create an acceptable program. So what compile do? Perform a pair processing of secure code, gather all files required for the secure code to compile, processes the entire secure code, checks for any syntax errors in the secure code, performs a thorough syntax analysis of secure code to understand the structure and semantics of secure code. Optionally, translation the secure code in the intermediate code know is object code to enhance the performance. Translates translate the object code to binary language. No is acceptable code. So more machine. In the theory of computation of Moore machine is the finite state machine whose input values are determined only by increment state. This is contrast a milli machine whose milli input while values are determined both by its current state and by the values of its inputs. To Moore machine is named after an and word E. Moore were presented the concept in a 1956 papers Greghan on sequential machines. So this is milli machine. Milli machine in the theory of computation is milli machine is a finite state machine whose input value are determined both by its current state and the current inputs. This is contrast to a more machine whose more inputs value are determined slowly by its current state. A milli machine is a determined binary state transducer for each state of input at most on the transaction is possible. So the milli machine is named after Greek hash Millie, whose presented by presented the concept is a 1955 papers, a method for cytometry zinc and circuits. So it can be defined as is Q0, where Q is finally set of states, is the entailed state, is the input alphabet, is 0 is the input alphabet, is a transaction function which maps and is the input function which maps Q and 0. So thank you so much.